How to make easy money at home. How to cash out HNT for dollars. Hi, I'm Ricky Williams. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to turn your helium mining tokens into actual US dollars. In a couple minutes, I'm going to tell you why you should not hold on to your HNT long term. But first, let's look at why helium doesn't just pay us in dollars instead of cryptocurrency. It's a cool idea that your smart refrigerator can order more milk when it sees you're running low. But no one wants to pay $20 a month so your refrigerator can have its own internet account. The Internet of Things only makes sense when smart sensor devices can send and receive tiny bits of data cheaply. Helium was formed as a company to make that happen. Helium's solution is to create a network where IoT, or Internet of Things devices, can communicate via low-cost, low-power radio waves. Helium Hotspots receive the radio signals from IoT devices and then upload the data received to the Internet. But Helium needed a way to incentivize people or businesses to provide hubs or nodes for all these tiny bits of data to be uploaded to the Internet. And there's no incentive like money. Enter the Helium token. The Helium token is a cryptocurrency built on blockchain technology. It provides secure, automatic payouts and cheap bookkeeping for hundreds of thousands of independent IoT network nodes, also known as helium miners. In the last year, the value of HNT has gone up dramatically, and it's not smoke and mirrors. The IoT business model provides a valuable service that is the foundation for the value of HNTs. So, will HNT keep going up in price? That depends on how well Helium, known as the People's Network, can fulfill its ambitious vision. How to sell HNT. Before you can trade your Helium tokens for dollars or other cryptocurrencies, you'll need a digital cryptocurrency wallet. But first, you'll need a Helium App wallet. The Helium App not only lets you set up your hotspots, but also provides a secure way to receive, store, and transfer your HNT mining rewards. You can download it to your iOS or Android phone. However, you can't use your Helium App wallet to exchange HNTs for dollars. For that, you'll need to sign up with a cryptocurrency exchange. Right now, there are only a few exchanges that will trade HNT for US dollars. Binance, Crypto.com, FTX Exchange, Kraken, and OKCoin are exchanges that may allow HNT dollar trades. Crypto.com and Kraken may be the easiest way to get dollars right now. But before you settle on a crypto exchange, it's a good idea to check for current issues, including possible trading restrictions. As of 2021, Binance US isn't supported in 22 US states and may suspend all US transactions. FTX Exchange isn't regulated in the US, so US-based traders must go through FTX US. OKCoin is restricted in Hawaii, Indiana, Louisiana, Nevada, New York, and West Virginia. Most cryptocurrency exchanges follow KYC, otherwise known as Know Your Customer, identity verification requirements. This is to discourage fraud, money laundering, and other criminal activities per the 2001 Patriot Act. You may need to show proof of driver's license, passport, social security number, and verify your address. Start early with the KYC process to avoid delays in setting up your crypto exchange account. Then add your bank information to your crypto exchange account so you can move your dollars to your bank. How to transfer HNT from your Helium App wallet to your crypto exchange account. First, go to your crypto wallet in your exchange and click Deposit HNT. Copy the HNT recipient address from your exchange, and in your Helium App wallet, select Send HNT to, and then enter the recipient address. Fourth, transfer HNT to your crypto exchange. Now that you've got those HNTs in your crypto exchange, how do you change HNT to US dollars in your cryptocurrency exchange? First, in your crypto exchange app, click Sell HNT. Select Fiat Wallet, and third, in Fiat Wallet, select Transfer, then Withdraw. Select your bank and send fiat currency to your bank account. Because of anti-laundering laws, it may take a few days for your bank to show this deposit. Before you exchange your HNTs for dollars, you can check the current helium price online. For example, CoinGecko.com shows the current price and the price history. Depending on the helium price trend, you can decide whether to trade now or hold for a better price. Taxes. I'm not a tax professional, and the following is not tax advice. Please consult with your CPA or other tax professional. Your mining rewards are considered income by the IRS. The amount of income is based on the price of HNT when you receive each reward payout. If you receive several reward payouts every day, this could become a bookkeeping nightmare. But there's an easy way to keep track of the income from all of your reward payouts. Go to explorer.helium.com. Click on the Community Tools tab and then Helium Tax. This free tool will collect all the data from your helium rewards and provide your up-to-date income. And what if the price of your HNT goes up after you earn it? Then you trade it for US dollars. This increase in value is considered a capital gain by the IRS. When should you sell your helium tokens? Should you convert your mining rewards to US dollars as soon as you can after you earn them? Or should you hold on to your HNT and wait for the price to go up? Since the Helium Peoples Network launched, thousands of companies have bought into the service to empower their Internet of Things smart devices. In the first year, the price of HNT increased over 1,700%. No one expects a 1,700% price increase every year, but the price of HNT continues to be influenced by the popularity of the service. However, future growth may also depend on public sentiment, tech advances, changes in the U.S. crypto environment, legal and political developments, and so on. You should not hold on to your HNT long term unless you have a stomach for risk. Everything you convert to dollars now is money in your pocket that you never would have had without your miner. But if you want to speculate on cryptocurrency, you're not limited to HNT. You could convert your HNT to stablecoins, such as USDT. Then, at the right time, invest your money in other cryptocurrencies, all within your crypto exchange account. If you want to get your own Helium Hotspot miner, then keep watching my videos to help you understand the risks and rewards. If you can't wait, you can get started right away by clicking the first link in the comments below. Click the nationalconsumeradvocate.com/helium-miner link in the first comment below this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel to get the latest info about making money with your hotspot.